Yes. So my friend's son goes to Alta Vista, and they're having a 2-hour early dismissal because of this hurricane. Is Brookville doing anything like that today?
I understand that they are, but they're still in the process of working on that.
Brooke, why is your window open?
I farted and it stinks.
Yeah, Adventures in the Hurricane. Full sends.
Ace in my classes left and right. Riding the bus for the first time. Woohoo!
Really terrible.
Alright, how does this work? This is my first rodeo.
What you got? You just got a car, you just show me. And let me tell you, they don't allow those cups on here, but I'll let you go today, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Right.
Okay, so our college IDs work as bus passes. So Clinton's up there on the bus. You can't really see it, but he's up there. And so now I'm just following him to see where the bus goes.
So we're going pretty good right now. It's a pretty good ride. First time, you know, nothing but a thing. But hey, we're getting through. Got my Chick-fil-A. A good day in the hood.
Becky told me that she told him too. She didn't. Well, I know Becky told him. I ain't telling them. I just was telling them.
Just like that. Another day in the neighborhood, taking a stroll on the bus.
Look who it is. I get to do a hard ball.
He should be in it. Thank you. Yep. Sometimes I just don't care. Can you heat this up? Can you heat this up for me? You got like a microwave or something?
Give me your drink.